Welcome to the best picks. The best Arduino LED is probably one of the most versatile components for any electronics enthusiast or hobbyist. It's a fantastic way to add visual feedback and illumination to your projects, from simple blinking lights to complex displays. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced maker, the Arduino LED opens up a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to bring your ideas to life with light and color. Number 5. DiCUNO 5mm LED Assorted Color Kit. This is the DiCUNO 5mm LED Assortment Kit. It includes a variety of colors perfect for any DIY lighting project. This handy kit comes with everything you need to get started. Inside, you'll find 5 different colors, with 90 pieces of each. The colors include white, red, yellow, green, and blue. It's a comprehensive set for all your needs. These LEDs have different forward voltages depending on the color. They have a maximum current of 20 mA and a viewing angle of 30 degrees. Remember to calculate the voltage to achieve the best lighting. These LEDs are great for DIY projects, school experiments, and even car decorations. They're also perfect for electronic experiments and breadboards. It's very versatile. Despite their small size, these LEDs deliver impressive brightness. The luminous intensity varies by color, offering a range of effects. They are mini lights with great performance. Each color has a specific wavelength range, allowing for accurate lighting effects. With this kit, you have multiple options in one box. It's a great choice for any project. What we like. This kit offers a rainbow of colors, perfect for adding visual flair to your projects. It's ideal for beginners and hobbyists alike. If you're looking for a versatile and colorful LED solution for various projects, this is a great choice. What people say. More LED lights than you will ever need. Depending on how much power you use, the brightness is pleasant to look at. Hooked up several of them, the yellow is more orange, but that's okay. These were exactly what I needed to repair a set of C9 LED lights. Number 4. Smraza Electronics Fun Kit for Arduino and Raspberry Pi. This kit has all the basic components you need for your electronic projects. It's compatible with both Arduino and Raspberry Pi, making it versatile for various projects. It does not include the controller board. Inside, you'll find a breadboard, power supply module, and a variety of LEDs, resistors, buttons, capacitors, transistors, and diodes. It provides a good range of components for you to start with. The kit includes jumper wires and male-female DuPont wires. These wires make it easy to connect components and build your circuits. This helps you to meet your project expectations. All the components come in a sturdy and nice storage box. This helps you keep everything organized and tidy after each use. It's designed to keep everything neat. We provide detailed instructions to help you get started with your electronic projects. If you have any questions, our customer service team is ready to assist you. It's easy to follow. What we like. This kit is a fantastic starting point for anyone new to Arduino. It includes all the essential components, like a breadboard and resistors. If you are a beginner, this kit provides a convenient and educational way to get started with electronics and Arduino projects. What people say. This kit includes a wide range of components essential for experimentation and prototyping, making it perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. It features a power supply module, jumper wires, a precision potentiometer, and an 830 Type points breadboard, among other components. Super handy for all kinds of Raspberry Pi and Arduino projects. I've used this for many projects, and it has worked wonderfully. Number 3. ALITOVE WS2812B LED Strip Light. This is the ALITOVE WS2812B LED Strip Light. It's a versatile and programmable lighting solution for various DIY projects. The strip is designed to bring your creative visions to life. The strip features an upgraded adhesive backing with a 1 mm thick acrylic double-sided tape. This ensures strong adhesion and leaves no trace. This feature makes it easy to install and ensures the strip's durability. Each LED is individually addressable, allowing for custom colors and brightness. You have full control over each pixel, with 256 gray levels and a 24-bit full-color display. This allows for a wide range of colors and effects. It's compatible with Raspberry Pi and various other programmable controllers. The strip also supports different app and music controllers. This makes it easy to integrate into your existing setup. The strip has self-adhesive tape for easy mounting on dry, flat surfaces. The flexible FPCB allows it to be bent to any shape. It can be cut without damaging the rest of the strip. It's ideal for LED screens, advertising boards, and various decorative applications. You can use it for light sculptures, displays, and to enhance the ambience of bars, nightclubs, and more. The possibilities are endless with this product. What we like. This LED strip offers individual control over each LED, allowing for dynamic lighting effects. The flexible design and strong adhesive make it easy to install on various surfaces. If you like creating custom lighting displays or need a solution for intricate designs, this is the perfect choice. What people say. I bought these two but right above my keyboard tray and now I can see the keys, who needs keyboard backlighting, and can even have neat light patterns on my keyboard. The adhesive has worked pretty well for me so far, about a month, although on the end with the wires I needed to add some extra tape. Easy to use, cut the amount of LEDs you wish to use and each one can be controlled individually. Easy to use. Can reach high brightness even with a small power supply. Number 2. Gikfun EK8437, 5mm Assorted LED Kit for Arduino. This is the Gikfun EK8437, a kit of assorted 5mm LEDs. It's perfect for all your Arduino projects, offering a variety of vibrant colors to choose from. The kit includes white, yellow, red, green, and blue LEDs. Each color comes in a pack of 20, giving you plenty to work with for your various projects. These LEDs are designed to be durable and super bright. They are also low heat and energy saving, with a small size and long lifespan, making them ideal for various applications. These LEDs are suitable for DIY projects, school experiments, car decorations, and electronic experiments. You can use them as signal indicators, especially in your Arduino projects. The voltage varies by color. White and blue are 3.0-3.2V, green and yellow are 2.0-2.2V, and red is 1.8-2.0V. They are easy to use and integrate into your circuits. What we like. This kit provides a selection of vibrant LEDs for your Arduino projects. The LEDs are durable and energy-saving. If you are looking for a simple and reliable LED solution for your Arduino projects, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. All 100 tested good. Works as intended. Nice bright LEDs. Number 1. ALITOVE WS2812B5050 RGB LED Pixel Light. These are ultra-bright, smart, full-color LEDs. Each pixel is individually addressable, allowing for complex animations and color patterns. You can set it to any color or animation you want. The LEDs offer 256 levels of brightness and can display a full 24-bit color spectrum. This means it can create a vast range of colors and effects. It is perfect for any DIY lighting project. The LEDs are mounted on a small PCB board, making them easy to solder into any configuration. This allows you to customize your lighting setup to fit your specific needs. It is very easy to use. Wiring is simple, requiring only one digital pin, 5V, and ground to control multiple LEDs. The shenable design eliminates crossed threads. This makes the setup process straightforward. It is compatible with Raspberry Pi, Teensy, and various other programmable controllers. It also works with pre-programmed app controllers and smart Wi-Fi controllers. This provides flexibility in controlling the lights. What we like. These individual addressable LEDs offer endless possibilities for creating custom lighting effects. The shenable design simplifies wiring, and they are easy to control. If you want to create complex and dynamic lighting displays, this is a great option. What people say. These dots are excellent, the brightness and color are as good as any other NeoPixel display I have, including the original Adafruit ones, and they are better than any of the clones. Work with the official NeoPixel library. Easy to solder leads onto the pre-tinned pads, use a fine tip and a second-hands device, very bright. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.